Alright guys, we're about to have a drink, some Moscato to keep you warm in this weather. Well, when you know me like that, what's up? Alright, cheers.
Chala, 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 chala. Yeah, dark skin and sweet. Yeah, she make any man who get off and feel beautiful like a petal. Skin tone rich like the green panel. Keep black on a level. Skin so nice, yeah, you don't have to bleach. You deserve a medal, yeah. Need no sunscreen when you're there up on the beach. Chapel back in your jeans.
What's up guys, it is your girl Amber, your favorite entertainment minister, because if you know my loves, believe me, you know. So welcome or welcome back to my channel guys, and today I'm gonna take you guys along a vlog, a vlog, a vlog. You feel me dog? So if you guys are excited for this vlog, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time that I drop a banging video. So guys, it is a very snowy day in Boston. I think actually it's a blizzard now, and last night they did. And last night they declared a state of emergency in Boston at 9 p.m. So right now it is snowing. So I just decided to take out my camera and bring you guys along a vlog, because right now we are going to my cousin's house to have breakfast. So I just wanted to take you guys along this vloggy breakfast brunchy thingy with the bee. So let's get into it. Pop pop pew poo. Melissa, it is snowing. Oh my god. So guys, this is what it's like outside right now. Whew. We have Uncle Greg who came to pick us up. Guys, it is freezing. Ask us where we going in this kind of weather. We're gonna get breakfast. That's where we're going. We need food. And we have tea, the lion, tea dan. Oh, you say that bloody what? He's right here. He's about to go shovel, make some money. Say hi. Hey! Yo! Be careful! Bye!
guys, so after driving for hours and hours, we have reached our destination. Oh God. Wait! Woo! Oh my God. Annie! Hi, Annie. Say hi.
So guys, I'm waiting for Tamara to serve me my breakfast.
This is that.
Now we're frying some plantains. Some plantains. You can see some of the pots. The plantains. Just frying. You know when you have some property, you can't see. Period. Yo, I hungry until.
Hi. You food nice, Dan?
I have to dip the in the tea. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she going to have yeah. Do two waffles. It's very delicious, like. I wish you guys could taste it.
When I say thank you, all I have to say on my wedding day, I have to tell the passes to me.
Anything like that?
One day. Facts.
Your life is sad. Melissa? If they anything like that, their life is sad. Oh, trust me. Trust me. Kakoti. Give you blood and give you strength. I need to charge them. You don't say anything, man. Oh, how can you get that man. Deep fried.
Alright guys, we're about to have a drink. Some Moscato to keep you warm in this weather. Well, when you know me like that, what's up? Alright. Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Your water.
Tomato. Oh, guys, my luck see that twist up.
Take all the food that's not featured in the movie.
So we was just watching King Richard's very great movie.
It's King Richard, not King Richard.
King Richard. Highly recommend. It has a great story. Line.
Okay, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm eating my food.
guys, as you can see, the snow is as high as the cars. And if you see right here, if I send my feet down, you can almost not see it. Oh, it is so cold, guys. Oh my God! It's the snow. Oh! Go girl, go girl. I gotta get up. Oh, I gotta do it here. I gotta get up. I gotta get up.
No, you guys are.
Tupe! Tupe, tupe!
Mama, come help me. Come help me. Yo, it's coming hard at your face though, it's from that direction. Three, go.
Oh my God!
Help!
Melissa, get off.
Do it!
Session.
You might fix me. Okay, so what else can we be? Alright, so guys, we just came back from our little outside trip that we took today. Had an awesome time with our cousins, and it's so bad outside. It's so bad. But that's not what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys Amma shoveling snow. Hold on. Hold on. I'm just put your back into that, girl. I'm just trying to clear off the fairway. So we have an idea where we're stepping. Once we step out the house. Bruh, I can't feel my fingers. Woo! It hurts, you know. Ow. Oh my God.
Alright guys, so it is later in the night right now, and my sister and I got home at about half an hour ago. I'm so happy that we made it home safely. Thank you God, because it is crazy out here, guys. So I took a really hot bath, and I just wanted to come and talk to you guys before I close up this vlog, you know what I'm saying? I think it stopped snowing, it's just little flurs. But the snow is like this high, okay? But yes, but today was a pretty awesome day. I love it when my girls and I get together and we just get time to spend with each other, you know. We eat, we laugh, we talk, we bond, we watch a movie, you know, we just enjoy each other's company. That really makes me happy. It really is the simplest of things that makes you happy. So today was pretty fun. I enjoyed my day, you know, when I did a little vlog for y'all, played in the snow. That was fun. But yeah, I'm back home now, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my whole Intercaribbean situation. I know I gave you guys free videos, so it's only right that I come and keep you guys updated. And I did see someone comment on the Smack or Facts that they wanted an update on Intercaribbean, so I'm here to give you that right now. So guys, after many phone calls, after 3 YouTube videos, probably 30 threats that I would take them to court, I have finally received my money from Intercaribbean. Yo, like, it's crazy how these days you really have to just start, you know, it's okay to throw threats now and then, you get me? It's crazy how you have to do that. Thank you for giving me back my money. I am happy that you guys did. I'm gonna use that money to buy a case of chubby bear and drink it, period, because all night long I don't drink chubby. All you know, I can't talk already, so bear with me in my videos because I just can't talk, and that's okay. I stutter, that's fine, you know. We ain't perfect, and I'm okay with that. Like, we gonna make mistakes, and anyways, so yes, I get my money back. I'm very happy that I did get my money back, but I'm also still quite upset that I am not the only one that Intercaribbean has done that, and to know that there's people out here who still hasn't received their money back from Intercaribbean because they messed up their flight. It kind of pisses me off still. Like, I kind of want to do something to help you guys. Like, if you all need me to call and rough to them for you to get your money, I will do it, okay? All you deserve, yeah, that, see, I can't even talk. All you deserve, you hear that again? All you deserve to get all your money back. Yes, y'all deserve to get your money back because y'all worked hard for it. Y'all, and don't think I'm making joke. Like, I've been so dead ass because, like, I'm so tired of people trying to take people and things, because, you know, things, I don't know, but I think things just take advantage of people, not you? Yeah, logic, man, science. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is I am frustrated, and I'm tired of people trying, the word is trying, Amber, trying to take advantage of other people and their things. You understand me? Like, we are not doing that this year. So hit me up, we're gonna get your money back. And yeah, I'm so happy that I got my money back finally, because listen, my head was getting hot. My head was overheating. But yes, I got my money back, and I'm so happy that I did. And yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You know, I just wanted to come out and give you guys a good video. If you guys enjoyed this video, again, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't done it as yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time that I drop a banging video. You feel me? Alright, my loves, my gang, stay sweet, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. We out.
Yeah, dark skin sweet. Yeah, she make any man who get off fine feet. Beautiful like a petal. Skin tone rich like the green on a leaf. Keep black on a level. Skin so nice, yeah, you don't have to bleach. You deserve a medal.